They come out and talk about, oh, Donna, you need to look like me good, Dunkley. You know, she said, Donna thick and nice. All when people wicked and Donna people want Donna about wicked people, Donna still hug them up and cheer them on until they improve themselves. If you sell cake, you must look like a baker. Eh? You go there to sell cake and still look like a eater. It's like them can't make the woman breathe a second. When I know she a Tina. When I know Tina what name? Lorraine. When I know Lorraine or somebody else. My God, man. Me see the people them depend on the woman, then just in her house, so then just in her house and then now come out of that woman house. You can't eat somebody where you sit down and watch every day. Me not understand. How on earth someone is gonna sit down and eat on somebody, just keep hating on the person, just keep hating on the person. And you watch her every day, but you eat pan her. Eh? Me not get it. Me can't comprehend it. So when one person they cool down, one next one they come up. And a Donna they eat. Bad mind, man, they just in that one also. It's like the woman can't live her life in peace. She can't entertain her crowd. Sometimes I don't sit down alive until the haters impose it. Because I'm so busy. But sometimes I don't know what happened, but the haters' content always come up on the internet before anybody else. Donna they do charity, then they pan her. Donna they billing us, then they pan her. Now the woman they use her juicer wherever she get her juicer. Then they pan. It's like this woman no figure invisible. It's like everything what she do is a problem. When are they gonna let go of her blows? What make them they try draw her out so? They might eat her not you. See him the Tina she, me never see her out her van. Me see her in her van all the time or somewhere they tie up in some clothes or sitting on the back the gala. The other day me look me see him both in there over where lady saw Wendy. 2 red socks. You know when winter come, you have on the 2 socks to keep your foot warm. 2 red socks with 2 bag round a film side one time. 2 me don't know who wear two belly bag. Hmm? And you're just like a winter in a summer. And those are the people that get up every day and cuss people and call clean people. Clean paper. Cause me don't know Donna, but me know me Donna am funny because every crevice and corner in a Donna house clean. Cause me see it. Me sit down here so me a look. And me see it. This woman, before she pay attention to her kid them. At them starting, you know. At them starting. And they cultivate haters to hate upon the woman. Them woman they started we don't even know how to put themselves properly together when then they go outside. You they go to a function and you they sell your cake. First of all, the first thing you should do is put on your nice little baker hat if you go put on anything over your head. You have on one black something where we sleep in. You know, one I don't remember the color pants and 2 big old red socks and slippers. Eh? Some people see you, they don't want nothing from you if you buy, if you go sell beef. Don't a slot, don't a don't a market back. And leave the woman alone. Tell her now too. If they get on top of my nerves, like me just tired of uno, with the panny lady back and now come off me tired. You know, up in her woman a juice and up in her kitchen. Uno under her bed. Uno there every God Almighty way. Pan a woman name. Walla enough for them, you know. I could have what this lady do them so. I must see Donna when I send them a prison all about. Where they there? I must see Donna cast them out and put them in a basement. I must see Donna make them their places and uncomfortable. Eh? Mighty God of Daniel, man. Every day you go on the internet, you see somebody else with Donna. And I know in a good way. I want somebody me see the post Donna in a one little jovial way, you know, and a Tessan. Hmm? She can't come on her live again, come sit down and have little fun with him people them. All kind of she posts her things where she have on her page. But them take care and them put all kind of bangarang over what she's saying. And make it look like say she not make sense. The tent where she put up to do the cake sitting, well put together. I'm not gonna hide my conscience. Our appearance now go sell nothing but a breadfruit. Our appearance now go sell. Eh? Not even some, but you know, some last part of the market in a Saturday night time when the things them burn up in the sun and they sitting there. Not even them they sitting there, she not look righteous, you go sell. You they sell something, you must look nice. Your face sell your business. If you they sell cake, you must look like a baker. Eh? You go there they sell cake and still look like a eater. That the one over England. Eh? Sit down in a fair house in a the whole heap of fake wig them, the wig them where when girl just start try. At that then wear. When you just a try. You know, when you just a try, you go in a store and buy one little wig for $120. Enough for them she have. They come out and talk about, oh, Donna, you need to look like me. Good, Dunkley. But then I need to look like you. You know, she said, Donna thick and nice. But Donna need to look like you for. How you look? All me see I wig them. That's all me see. I me zoom up your picture. Your face hard like a rock stone. But look like you. Look like you suffer. Look like you're not eating no proper food. So you look. And if you leave the lady, come out her kitchen, come out her house, come out her life. Give her a break. Tell down no man. When I know you a Tina. Get up every day and cuss people and no better than them. Cause no know her. You know those bad mind. Do you them on the internet 24/7? Me say they not have no time for clean. No time for clean their house. All they do they in their kitchen and have 2 phones. She's human. Me know definitely say all the people them when they mess with her. Nobody can. The only way it not affect her in no way unless she not have no feeling. And nobody can tell me say she not have no feeling. She have feeling and she feel some kind of way. But you know what? She have a manager and she can't say or do anything that she please. No, that she have a manager. But so the people them where there's enough people will go over Donna page, go sit down and watch Donna. Enough of them they go over a bad mind people them page. And at them same one, you see people them will sit down and watch Donna. You see uno people somehow no claim say uno a planker. I know this, I know that, somehow no planker, somehow no eater. Uno. Some of them people that will have Donna sitting them when they showing in private house. Donna block all of them people there. As some of uno will claim say uno a planker, they go over the woman page, go screenshot her story and care go get eater for eat on her. Some of uno will claim say uno a planker and no planker. Uno no planker. Uno no real. Uno are some wicked people. Some of them are no planker. Some of them are some hater will run around from page to page. Good afternoon, Anna. Some of them they run from one page to another with their phone. I don't know what them a get. I don't know what them a get. And they run and take time off their phone. They sit down in a corner, they tape your life and they tape what they do. And then they run, carry go get hater. You think all them girl where they cuss Donna so? Them can watch Donna for themselves? No. Nobody can tell me that as a fool. Me, a one big idiot, but me say nobody can tell me that. They no watch Donna. See when like how people send things in on my phone for me mess with people. I see them where they screenshot the woman story and put it sending in the hater them phone. Because some of them hate Donna, but they don't want to come out and say it. So they send things go give the haters them for text it pan her. If you don't notice, when Tina, they call up everybody name pan one sitting at one next phone in they looking at. The other phone when they looking at our in text and call and all kind of sitting for haters where haters screenshot things and video things and send go give her. And she have it in there and they play and they play. She not have the time to watch all of them they live. Everybody live. Cause sometimes these people all of them live one time. So she can't watch all of them live. Some of uno no have no money, you know. Because no man no want uno so. Because no mix up. So uno have too much time for uno on. To get up and eat pan this young lady. Eat pan her for no reason. Uno talk all manner of evil about her. Things you uno no know. Eh? And some of uno have uno parents and uno not even know where then they. Then they suffer. She dey cuss everybody. She have beef with everybody. So she not fit sell cake. She fit go sell beef. You know when Donna cuss Tina? When Tina start cuss Donna. Donna never come up on the internet and cuss nobody. So if you say that, Don, you are so wrong. Donna have to defend herself, of course. If you say that, you're wrong. Cause me they watch Donna from Donna, they work at hotel. Me don't know if she went the company internet before that, but me they watch her from before she start the charity. I mean never see Donna they cuss none Tina. So Don, if you say that, you're wrong. A blood run through her vein. Blood run through Donna vein. And the way everybody get up on Donna, if you don't want make content out of a lady, make good content out of a lady and talk the things they must do, because she don't do no wickedness. Everything we done are open and transparent. She have to defend herself. Donna not company internet conquest people. All when people wicked and people and Donna people want Donna about wicked people, Donna still hug them up and cheer them on until they prove themselves. Donna never condemn. Me never see Donna they condemn nobody until they prove themselves to her. Cause Missy Donna cuss people when they mess with her. But I never see she just pick up her phone and start cuss nobody. A liar they tell Dan. Dan, you are liar. Dan, you come from over either Tina page or somebody else's page. You are one liar lady right so. And Donna have all right to defend herself. Donna have all right to defend herself.